Jane Smith?
Yes.
I'm Eden Goodell.
Yes.
Please come in.
Yes.
Can I take your jacket?
No.
Please sit down. Would you like some water or anything?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's get started. I'm going to ask you some questions, and I'm going to record it so that I can listen to your voice later and get a better idea of what kind of accent you have and what we need to work on. Okay? Great. Jane Smith, Session 1. So, Jane, you're an actor, right?
Yes.
And you recently moved to New York.
Yes.
Do you like New York?
Yes.
Have you studied with a voice coach before?
Yes.
Do you want to tell me a little bit about that?
Yes.
Jane, you're going to have to give me a little bit more information so I can really capture your voice and listen to it later so I can determine what we need to work on, okay?
Yes.
Jane, why do you want to learn the American accent?
Well, I don't think I have to learn the American accent because I already sound American. Like when I go to the deli, for example, and the people working there, they always say, "Oh, you're American." And I say, "Yes, I am American." And everybody in the street, they talk to me say that I'm from here. Everybody think that. One casting director told me that I don't sound, she didn't say American, but she said I should work on the accent. But I think that it's totally bullshit because I think I totally sound like everybody else here, like you, me, everybody. And then I get to not casted in this film but I think it's because of my ass, because Scarlett Johansson got this part and she thinks that my ass isn't so good, but I think I have a fucking good ass, and I also think that there is nothing wrong with my ass or my boobs or anything in my body. I have a nice vagina, I have everything nice, and I speak great, and it's okay. And I don't think I have to come. I think I could take your job, but I want to be actor. But I could teach actors how to do American accent, any accent. I can do that because I'm very talented in my ear. I have like a perfect ear for any accent. Any accent I want. Heart, like it's shaped like a heart, like an American. It's like an American pussy I have there, down there. So I can do this part with Scarlett. It's nice, much better than her. My vagina, nipple on my boobs, is like a marshmallow. It is what Americans say.
It is juicy pussy.
Part with Scarlett Johansson much better than her, and I can tell you something. I went to the deli when I was there today. I found this avocado. I see in New York there is no good avocados, but I found one, and I was thinking that I can pay this session. I will pay with the avocado because in New York it's so hard.
You want to pay with an avocado?
Yes, I think I can pay with this size because it's very, very nice. It's a delicatessen in New York. Money is not.
You're fucking crazy!
Money is just.
My ears! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Illusion. With money. Money means nothing to me. I don't need money because I already speak American accent. I speak all the accents in the world that I can do all these things. Like for example, you have NBA players. Well, I play better basketball than any American person, so I don't have to go to basketball training. Like I don't have to go to accent training or anything because I already speak Yes, hello. My name is Jane Smith, and I was wondering if it would be possible to get a speech coaching lesson from you. You can call me back in this number. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye. Joo. Kilpailu on rankkaa New Yorkissa. Täällä on niin paljon näyttelijöitä, ulkomaalaisia. Mutta itse asiassa kukaan ei tuo oppia Amerikan aksenttia.